In this video, I want to show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Casio G-Shock GBD-200. This could be really useful if you do not want to receive any sorts of notification on your watch. Could be because you're in an airplane, or maybe you're just attending a very important meeting and you want to shut down any sorts of notification. So how to do this? It's very easy. You're gonna keep press this left side top button during 2 seconds to have access to the menu of the watch. And then to navigate through this menu, you're going to use the left side buttons. So by pressing the lower one, the cursor will move through this menu, and you need to click it a few times until you select airplane mode. It's on the 3rd page. To enter the airplane mode menu, you need to press on the right side the top button once and select on by clicking on the lower left side button here once and then pressing start. It will confirm the setting and airplane mode is now activated. You can exit this menu by pressing a few times this lower right side button until the time is displayed on the watch face. To turn airplane back off, do the same thing. Press 2 seconds this button, then go down in this menu, select airplane mode using the start button, go up, select off, press start, and that's all. You're back to normal now. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.